Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. Guess what? Guess what? I have another unboxing for you. Are you ready? Ding! Are you ready? I did open it already, sorry. I couldn't wait, but either way, it's gonna be still new for both of us because I haven't used it yet. I just opened it to kind of see how it looked because I was excited. Ready? Ding! Oh my goodness! Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? I love skincare, hair care, anything that's gonna make me be fabulous, you know, feel fabulous. And this is just another one of those amazing tools. So it comes with a manual. Here we go, right here. We'll read that in a second. And it comes with a USB-C, USB-A cable. Let's see, any fun stuff in the manual? The manual doesn't seem to be in English. Oh wait, they do have a user part in English. Okay. So this is from GLINTSKIN. I could be saying it wrong. G-L-I-N-T, GLINTSKIN. Transform your skin today. GLINTSKIN. Let's see. It's called the Meridian Hair Care Comb. So that's what it looks like here. The Meridian Hair Care Comb. So cool. And it feels a little bit silicone, so I can see why some of the material is silicone. So we have the comb teeth, and I believe there's 25 comb teeth, so that's awesome. We have the indicator light, which is right here to light up and you'll know that it's on. We have the VR button, which is for vibration. I don't know if that's exactly what it means, but when you press this button, it should vibrate. And then we have the on and off right here, the bottom button. And then we have the decoration strip, which is this beautiful strip around the bottom part. And then we have the USB charging port, which is right here. Okay. So the first thing that I noticed with this, which I really like, is it's very comfortable to hold. I think that's that fancy word, ergonomic. I absolutely love the feel of this because then I could just, you know, all day, every day. The teeth massage, and there's 25 of them, and it has red light therapy, and I think I've mentioned red light therapy so many times on my channel, but definitely look it up. I'll even put some points down below so you can see the importance of red light therapy. But let's get into it because I'm super excited. I have what's that word? Seborrheic dermatitis, or some people, the extreme version would be psoriasis. And I typically have it in the front here. So I'm really excited for the vibration part and the red light therapy part of this because I'm hoping it'll help me clean up the flakes, and I'm also hoping it'll promote like growth, hair growth. So you hold down on it like this, and you see the indicator light turned, and here's the light there, and then it has 3 levels of massage. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you can just comb it through your hair like so. If you have curly hair, instead of combing it exactly through like you would with straight hair, I would probably just, you know, like put my comb, like pick it up, like put it in. I'm not speaking good English. Put it in and then pull it back a little bit, and then pick it up and pull it in and pull it back, if that makes sense. So you go in another section, pull it in, bring it down, pick it up, pull it in, bring it down, pull it in, bring it down. Obviously you want to keep it in long. I'm just trying to show you like how you would use it. It doesn't say exactly how many minutes is a session, but usually when you're doing red light on your skin, it's like 20 minutes. So if you can just do maybe each section, like 4 sections of your hair, and like each section 5 minutes, I don't see that being like a bad thing. You guys, feels good. Oh god. And I'm using the max, so just so you know, I'm using the max. So yeah, I mean, this is a quick video. I just wanted you guys to see my new and wonderful and amazing product as I try to better my health and my hair every day, all day, you know. And it's just fun. Self-care is really important. It's fun, and it's always great to find tools that keep you making sure that you're doing the best you can for yourself. And especially now that I'm married and ooh, this curl just poofed up. Especially now that I'm married and I'm gonna be a mom soon, it's like it's really important to me to just remember to take time for myself, because I do feel a bit overwhelmed at times, and when I forget to do my skincare, I just don't feel like I'm 100%. So having these little things that take 5 minutes or 20 minutes, like, to myself, to just take care of myself is like really, really important. So yeah, I think it's a really great product. I'll leave all the information down below. I mean, it should definitely help get into those deep levels of your scalp and promote hair growth, but definitely should also help if you have seborrheic dermatitis or psoriasis and things like that. You're treating your skin, you want to put oil in first and, like, you know, do that, like castor oil or something, vitamin E oil. I think it's a really great brush. I think it's super affordable, and I think it's definitely worth getting if you can get it. If you want to know more, I'll put it down in the description box. I hope you like this short little unboxing skincare saga that I'm on. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, besos.